to my channel. Today I want to show you how I moisturize my braids. It's basically how you can moisturize your hair while in protective hairstyle, whether in box braids, cornrows, twist, or whatever protective hairstyle. This is the method that I always use, so feel free to stick by and watch me moisturize my hair. Before we start, if you want to know how I got this hair done, I went to Italy a few weeks ago and went to surprise my mom, and I got my hair professional done. If you're interested in seeing that, please check out the link below. What you are going to need to moisturize your hair: you're gonna need water, a massage comb or just your hands, your regular oil. I am going to use, as usual, my oil from Organic Oracle to stimulate my scalp, moisture milk from Organic Oracle. That's all you're gonna need. We're just gonna get into this video. What you just saw is me just spraying water a little bit to my hair. It doesn't have to be soaking wet. I spray more on my scalp and a little bit on the braids as well, you know, eventually to go through the braids and reach my hair just a little bit. That is what I will do on one day. So on the other day I will add water and oil. Why I put oil and water is because if I first put oil, you can try it at home. First put oil on your dry skin and then add water on top. The water is just gonna stay on top. It's not going to kind of really get into your skin. So first of all, what I do is first spray water on my, like I just did, spray water on my hair, on my scalp, and then use my massage comb or my finger to massage it in as good as possible. And then after that, I add some few drops from my oil on my scalp, like kind of place it all over my head a little bit, and then after that use either my finger or my massage comb as well to massage it in back. That's what I will do on second day. And then on my third day I will use water and my moisture milk. Focus. My moisture milk, which means, again, first of all, I will add a little bit water on my scalp, massage it in, put a little bit from my moisture milk or your styling moisture cream that you had, put a little bit on your hand, massage it in, and then massage it, and then I just go out like that. Since you're not gonna really put too much product and add too much water in your hair, like in like 30 minutes the water and the cream is just gonna get into your hair, and your skin, or I mean your hair, is just gonna take the moisture off. And yeah, that's basically what I do. So let me show you the steps. Number 2. So that was basically it. As I already said, those are like the only 3 things that I use, like the 3 products that I use. Mainly water. You can just stick by water, spring a little bit water on it every day. That is absolutely enough. I just like to spice it up a little bit and use every now and then some other things. And also keep in mind, I'm not like really stick to all these things like every day I do it. Like sometimes I just use water because I don't have time like to apply the oil and then later massage it in. Like for example, during the week when I have to get ready very fast to go to work because I work in different shifts, so I just use water. And in other days, like a weekend when I have more time, then I take my time to, I mean, you already just see this can only just take maybe between 1 and 5 minutes, depends on how fast or how gently you massage it in. And I usually just take maybe a minute or two and then I'm done. That was to this video. Thank you very much for sticking by and watching. If you want to see how I style my braids during the week or for work or just for going out or whatever, stick by and watch my other video. Except of that, thanks for watching. I will see you in 7 days.